We generally think that our DNA is and will be the same while we are growing. As you know, each cell of our body has the same DNA regardless of the location of the cell. However, eyes cells do not produce the same proteins that skin cells. Some of our genes are expressed and some other are repressed. It depends of the location of the cell and her environment. Recently, we also found out that our behavior is determinant for the gene's expression. This domain is called epigenetic. It consists in a different expression of genes without DNA mutation. While knowing that, we can consider a way to cure disease through epigenetic manipulation. We know that an healthy diet, physical exercise, stress management, pleasure, and good relationship are the keystone of a healthy life. This way of life is dependent of many factors, and the most important one is education. We all have a different education since our parents and schools are different, but still the way of doing it can be relevant. We observe that a child which is under pressure, without thought liberty, and with a lack of affection has less chances to success in life and more to develop disease. How can we provide to someone a good education and a good epigenetic environment? For me, it is all related to experiences and emotions. Everyone have the same fundamental needs, but ways to satisfy them can be different. The way to do it well anyway is the positive education. It is based on exchange, support, and mutual respect. It can be difficult because it can demand more effort to listen to the needs of the child, but it permits to the child a good development. This method is relevant when the child is not submissive to rules, but when he cooperates willingly. To conclude, I will say that we are able to avoid a lot of disease and health problems with our behavior in terms of education, either of way of life. Also, this method can avoid some medicine, but there is for sure disease that can't be cured only by epigenetics and environment manipulation. Thanks for listening, and if you have any analysis to provide me, I will listen.